Alright, so just wanted to do a quick video. I got this Wall Street 2 pen starter kit at Woodcraft. Just wanted to go over the contents of it. Looks like it's a pretty nice little starter kit. Open it up. You got the instructions on a pretty sturdy piece of cardboard. So let's see instructions. Looks like it comes with the drill bit that you need. And it's a brad tip drill bit, so it'll be pretty good for the wood. Then it has the bushings, some extra pen tubes, different colors depending on what your blanks, if they're clear or semi-clear, you can see through them. And then you have the gold kit, and then the silver kit. So that's it. Pretty nice starter set. Got this to make these pens, these Wall Street pens. So it's time to get turning. Thanks for watching.